Comparison shopping for cruises can be frustrating, but here's 2 tips to help you on your search. Hey folks, I'm Walter with a couple of quick tips to help you with comparison shopping on cruises. Because no 2 cruise lines are absolutely alike. What's included, what's not included, and what are the perks. Now here's 2 big things to look at when you're comparison shopping. Number 1, is the price that you see per person or per cabin? Most cruise lines, when you see the price either on their website or a travel website, will be per person. So then you have to double that price if you're 2 people and so on. But some cruise lines, most notably Disney and Virgin, will show you the price per cabin. So you need to make sure, am I seeing the price per person or am I seeing it per cabin? So then you can comparison shop cabin to cabin. And number 2, what are you getting with the cruise fare? What's included? With every cruise line, you're going to get your cabin. You're going to get some food on the ship. You're going to get to use the pools, watch the entertainment, and you can get off the ship at the various ports. That's included on every single cruise line. And beyond that, such as Virgin Voyages, they include Wi-Fi. They include all of the restaurants, no specialty dining. They include the group workout. They include the basic beverages, and they include the gratuities. 5 things that you usually have to pay for on another cruise line. Now, Norwegian Cruise Line, they're constantly running perks and specials. So you kind of have to be a little bit of a private eye detective to compare various cruise lines, because it's never comparing apples to apples. You're going to be comparing apples to bananas, to cherries and grapes and whatever other fruit you eat. So you need to pay attention. Is this price per person or per cabin? And then what exactly am I getting? Does this cruise that looks more expensive up front actually a better value than the one that looks cheaper up front? You just have to go in there and really dig in to see what's available to know what is the best value for you. Hey, thanks so much for watching. If you enjoy what we're doing, please click that little subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that you'll be notified when we've got more episodes for you. And if there's anything we can answer for you, please leave your questions down in the comments. We'll try to get the answers for you. Have an amazing day.